Hello, I'm James Knight, founder of Gentle Somatic Yoga. In this somatic movement flow, I'm going to invite you to just release tension and stress found in the neck and shoulders. So sitting in your chair, just come into a comfortable position. Bringing your right arm down by your side, bring your left ear to your left shoulder and pause. And then come back to neutral, and then from this position, bring your shoulder to your ear and your ear to your shoulder. And then slowly come out, and as you come out, lengthen your neck muscles and then release muscular efforts. Come back up again, hug and squeeze the muscles of the upper shoulder and neck, and slowly come away. This time drop your chin to your chest and roll the shoulder forward, and then roll the shoulder back. And we'll do it again. Lift the ear to the shoulder, hug and squeeze, and then move away and drop the head down and circle over. And then sit up nice and tall. This time with your left hand, place your hand on your shoulder and begin to massage your shoulder. You can squeeze with your hand, or you can press with your fingers, or you can find a tight spot and just hold it in that spot. So whatever feels good, just start exploring with your hand and your shoulder, bringing it up and down, and just move in a way that feels good to your body. So this is a self-massage variation. You can move your shoulder up and down and also forward and backward. Just give your shoulder some attention with your fingertips. This is more of like an intuitive movement, moving in a way that feels good to your body. And then release, come back to center, and maybe create some round circles with the shoulder. And rest. Just taking a brief pause. And then let's come over to the other side. So the left arm comes down by your side, and just start by bringing the head over to the right shoulder, and then lifting up nice and tall. Bring the left ear to the left shoulder. So engage in those muscles mindfully. It doesn't have to be a strong force, just enough to feel the muscles engaging, and then lengthen. And again, shrug the shoulder towards the ear, engage those muscles mindfully, and then drop the arm down and extend and lengthen the neck. Last time, coming up, hug and squeeze. This time the head is going to roll forward, and then roll back and bring the head back in and away. That feels good to your body, but it's just important to bring those muscles into a shortened position to start with, and then extend and bring some movement through the upper body. And then bringing the right hand to the left shoulder. Just start to massage in any way that feels good. Bringing the shoulder up, squeezing and hugging those muscles. There's a lot of ways that you can do this. So again, just trust your own self, trust your soma, that it'll guide you into ways that just feel like you can unlock some of that pain or discomfort or stress. Squeeze and release. Find a tight spot and hug that spot in towards the bone, the insertion in the muscle. The insertion in the origin of the muscle get close together, and then extend it away. And then just one more exploration. Just hug the muscles up and in, and then coming out, releasing. And then create big round shoulders, shrugs. And then let's pause. With the eyes closed, bring your attention inwards, palms facing up. Take a cleansing breath in through the nose. Exhale. Let your body be soft. Your face, your jaw, your shoulders, your belly. Just enjoy a few moments feeling receptive and relaxed. And then gently open your eyes. So thanks for following along. This is definitely something that you just have to feel into over time, but this is just a great way to unlock old patterns of holding stress in the neck and shoulders. So thanks for following along, and remember to awaken the possible.